Gatho munene ndu wa gucoka ndirehuka no urathie na mbere wega. Karen Nyamu once again ni ekora haceke na rita riri ekora haceke na Gen Z ni undu wa mitugo yake guku online na itana kuonia kiria giagituma Karen na korwo gitamuro ifoko jitikiria tu gunyite ugeni ni undu wa gwitikira guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithwe. A few days ago Karen Nyamu complained of how followers zake on Instagram makikorwo makimunfollow ni undu wa gukora support the finance bill that the Gen Z rejected. Fans of Karen Nyamu have continued to unfollow her on social media niundu wa mirugamo yake ya gisiasa. She went on social media where she posted a video yake akiriamira a video yonekana gukorwo ikirakaria aingi a Kenya. Gen Z have proved not to be a fan of mitugo eno ya Karen Nyamu makiria guko online, and they have been trying to make sure that apps ta cia Instagram na TikTok ni ban Karen Nyamu. Ni twagikorwo tukiona WhatsApp ikiban Karen Nyamu for a few days. The Kenyans gukorwo makireport that account during the reject finance bill maandamano. So Kenyans once again have reported account ya Karen Nyamu ya TikTok nudu wa gufuja mawatho ma app eo. Karen Nyamu expressed her frustrations after video ino yake iria kuriagamira agupostete on TikTok ekorirwo igireportwo na TikTok yakorwo pull down that video. She went on Instagram where she complained of Kenyans gukorwo overwork just to make sure ate she's banned on TikTok and other social media apps. She posted this caption akiuga pale TikTok muna overwork, and you can see the video was pulled down because of violation share community guideline. Kenyans are trying really hard to make sure ate Karen Nyamu is banned on social media makiria apps ta TikTok na Instagram ni undu wa murugamo wake on the finance bill kana kuonekana gi support muno thirikari ino ya Kenya Kwanza hiria Kenyans mataragitikirania nayo. Ndigutenderithia ndeto ici makiria, make sure no turn on your notification or subscribe ni wigwe higo ciothe ukamukira video shito tushamanie na next one.
I have lost in my Instagram more than 10,000 followers because I was involved in a conversation on my comment section. A lady came to my page asking me, how can you as a woman support a bill that proposes to tax sanitary towels?